Is there anything from the automotive ancillary pack? And there are so many to choose from. Some that also have allied businesses, maybe something like a Bharat Forge, for example. Yes, it has US exposure, but it has a defense wing as well, or defense business. And the latest update is that they are manufacturing and selling those barrels to the UAE, I believe. The Abu Dhabi, it's the latest, the step-down subsidiary for howitzer artillery guns. Are you tracking that, and would you say Bharat Forge is something to look at, or any other auto ancillary company?
So Bharat Forge is definitely something one can look at. The stock has gone through a decent amount of consolidation. And you're right, they have exposure to the US, right? Which means that the machinery that they're sending is quite huge, quite large, not easily replicable by other people. So I don't think it's of course going to hurt them on some point where they export volumes may in the near term take a dip, but I still think their exports to the US are going to continue. They have a lot of other end products which sell within India, and like you rightly said, defense and various. So I think Bharat Forge prospects from a 2-year perspective are actually very good. So that is one you can invest in. And since you've left it open-ended for me, my favorite stock in the auto ancillary space right now is Sona Comstar. It's going through a tough time because of all the noise around the not promoter, but the largest shareholder having infighting within after the death of the promoter. I think that there's an opportunity there. The growth from electric vehicles is going to remain quite strong. They've gone through a bit of a tough time because Tesla, which is one of their customers in the US, has gone through a slowdown. And as Tesla bounces back, you'll see Sona BLW also getting growth in its revenues and profitability. They have new products coming on stream, which are extremely interesting. And they also have a tie-up with the company in China where they're going to be selling to BYD, which is now the largest electric vehicle manufacturer. So I think opportunity there is really good. Stocks consolidated, and that's my top pick in the space at this point of time.
Okay.